from LP Savani Riverside School, Krupali Home. Hello students, in the earlier session we were learned about the acid, bases and salts. What is the primary quality of acid, bases and salts and how we can identify between all these three by their taste. But it's not favorable to taste it and conclude it. That's why there are some clue and it is called indicators. We were seeing about indicators just intro only. In today's session, we are going to learn about it in the details. Let's start today's session. Here. Do you know what name of the acid? It means these all things are you are using in your daily life. These all are the products which you are using in your daily life. Now that all contains which kind of acid? Let's see. Vinegar, which is specially used in the Chinese food. It is containing acetic acids. Ants sting. When ants bites you, it will release fulmic acid inside your body, and that's why it's such hurtful. Ants bite will having formic acid. Citrus foods such as orange, lemon, these foods having citric acid. It means orange, lemon having the acid named the citric, curd having lactic acid, spinach having oxalic acid, amla and citrus food having ascorbic acid. It is having the vitamin C, ascorbic acid, and citric acid food also containing the vitamin C. Termite, grapes, unripe mangoes, they are having tartaric acids. Now all the acid mentioned above occur in the nature, means these all are naturally occur substance and it all are having in the nature by itself. Now here is the lime water having calcium hydroxide. These are all the bases, name of the all bases. Window cleaner solution which used in the home by your mom is having ammonium hydroxide, soap having the sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, milk of magnesia having the magnesium hydroxide. This all substance may you all are not aware of, but this substance having this kind of the bases and this having this kind of the acids. Now, can I test all substance to find their taste? It's too much dangerous because some are is toxic or some are is harmful for our body. That's why it's not advisable to test all the substance to conclude that is the substance given to us is acid or base. That's why the indicators are the most favorable option to use. Without testing we can conclude if it is acidic or basic. No. Have you not read the question? We should not test unknown substance. They could harm our body. Here is topic 5.2 natural indicators around us. The indicator's name suggests itself it will going to indicate something to us. Litmus is the first. It is a natural dye. What is the litmus? Let's see. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. May you seen it, and if you not seen it, then I'm going to see you inside our science laboratory. It is extracted from lichens. Here you can say it is this image is of the lichen. Lichen is the naturally occurs in the atmosphere. You can say it's a some kind of the plant structure. It has a purple color in distilled water. When you will put it in the distilled water, it will give you the purple color, and from this lichen we are extracting something and its name is the litmus. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to a basic solution, it turns blue. It is available in the form of solution or in the form of strips of paper known as the litmus paper. Generally, it's available as red and blue litmus paper. See, what you have to recall for the litmus is first of all, first topic is it is extracted from the lichens. It have purple color in the distilled water. Distilled matlab very pure water. Distill means very pure water having no salts or no ions inside it. So it will gives you purple color in the distilled water. It's for second point. First point is extracted from the lichen. Third point is it is available in the solution also and stripes also. As you can see here is given two stripes in the form of two stripe. Here we can see red litmus paper and this one is the blue litmus paper. If you will add this red litmus paper in the basic solution, it will turns into the blue. What will happen if you dip this strip into the basic solution, its color will getting changed into the blue, and if you will add this blue stripe in the acidic solution, its color will be changed into the red. That's why with the help of color changing we can conclude that is the given solution is acidic or basic. In the activity number 5.1, what we have to do is mix some water with lemon juice in a plastic cup or a test tube. You can use tumbler also. Put a drop of above solution on a strip of the red litmus paper with the help of a dropper. Is there any change in the color? Repeat the same exercise with blue litmus paper. Note down if there is any change in the color. What we have to do is take a lemon juice and add water inside it. Then after, already we have this two stripe of the litmus paper. What I have to do is take out one or two drops and add it on the red litmus paper, and same like that I have to do same with the blue litmus paper also. And now observe the color changing, because the water and the lemon solution is the acidic solution. That's why this blue color will convert into the red, but this red litmus paper will change color if and only it will react with the basic solution, because lemon juice is the acidic solution. That's why here will be no any color change you can appear. Note down if there is any change in the color. Perform the same activity with the following substance: tap water, detergent solution, aerated drink, soap solution, shampoo, common salt solution, sugar solution, vinegar, baking soda solution, milk of magnesia, washing soda solution, lime water. If the possible, make solution in the distilled water. Record your observation as in the table number 5.2. It means by taking all the samples you have to perform same activity as like 5.1 and record your observation inside one table. Here is table given to you. In your table, are there any substance on which litmus had no effect? Name those substance. It means there are some substance by which red litmus will not convert into blue and blue litmus will not convert into red. It means no color changing you will appear, and that kind of substance also you have to mention in this table. The solution which do not change the color of either red or blue litmus are known as the neutral solution. Neutral solution means it will not able to convert the litmus color. That's why it is known as the neutral solutions. These substances are neither acidic or basic. However, is the neutral solution having no acidic property or no basic property. That's why they are known as the neutral solution. You cannot say that it is acidic or basic because they have no any property. You can see here one figure where girl is performing the activity number 5.1. What she did is on the blue litmus stripe, she is putting a lemon juice plus water drop, and that's how the area around the drop you can see here is converting into the red, because lemon juice is the acidic solution and it is the property of blue litmus that convert into the red color if it is reacting with the acidic solution. Turmeric is another natural indicators. Here in the 5.2, take a teaspoonful of turmeric powder and add a little water to make a paste. Make turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on blotting paper or filter paper and dry it. Cut thin strip of yellow paper obtained. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. What do you observe? What you have to do is you have to make a turmeric paper. How? By take some teaspoon full of the turmeric powder and then little bit amount of the water to make a paste like structure and put it in a contact with the blotting papers. That's why what will happen, it will absorb all the content of this paste, and then after you have to dry it. Your turmeric paper is ready now, and then put a drop of the soap solution on this paper. You will found a color change. You can see it here. This one is the turmeric paper, and when I am applying this soap solution onto this paper, it will immediately having the color change yellow into the red. You can prepare a greeting card for your mother on her birthday. Apply turmeric paste on a sheet of plain white paper and dry it. Draw a beautiful flower with a soap solution, because yes, you are using the soap solution, but because the turmeric is natural indicator and it will getting change in the color, you will have a red color, and that's why you can draw a flower or your favorite sketches. Draw a beautiful flower with a soap solution with the help of cotton bud. You will get a beautiful greeting card. You can see it here. Similarly, the test solution listed in the table number 5.3. Add note down your observations. You may try solutions of other substance also. The China rose is also a natural indicator. We will see it in the next session.